How many of them are going to go? Exactly. Why do you think you have priority, you idiot? That's not what I wanted. Never mind.
Oh my god, babe. Where are we?
Wakey wakey!
And now there might be 25 to 50 people that we'd love to see. You know, it'd usually just be like Bill Murray and Steve Martin and Dan Aykroyd, and then maybe like out this weekend. And you know, he was the guy who just said, you gotta go deep inside. Just who are you? What do you care about? What do you like as a person? What are you covering up? And that deep psychology of the team, it became clear that there was a whole other style of comedy that was about to evolve on the show, which was what things that, you know, people like Bob Odenkirk and Dave were writing, which was TJO Booger Toots. And there was this Kill Doug Shatty. Kill Doug Shatty, yeah. Which was a sketch Bob wrote about Andy Dick, who lived next door to a rapper who wrote a song about how he hated him because he was trimmings. But it all starts with the Marx Brothers because it's subtle. It's just, oh, these are the poor guys, and the guys in the tuxedos are punching them in the face.
Yeah. So can I ask you a question? Can I ask you kind of a serious question about that? Yeah. So that's ingrained.
What's wrong with America right now? Is everybody's trying to look for that perfection?
Stuff fat in their ass.
Yeah. And
rubber in their lips.
Yeah. But there is no perfection. In fact, there's in imperfection. I feel, I don't remember, it's like Brad Pitt's got this disease.
I don't know what Brad Pitt has a disease.
He's got this thing where he can't remember people. Propophobia.
He can't remember faces? Is that what it is?
Look,
that's a good thing to tell people if you're Brad Pitt. Like, I'm sorry, man.
Still one. Oh, I see. Like sand on it and stuff. You know.
Sometimes
It's like no money fun,
How
isn't
do you
it?
stop that as a parent, right? How do you, I mean, you just
especially when you've got memories of your own students.
Around the store back in. So what was your first thought?
was how dare you do that effect?
Like before some ethnic identity once makeup. What was the teacher's motivation? I think the teacher was lazy and she it's easier than me thinking about it. Yeah, I'm not saying she was a racist.
of course
I
not.
voted her on it.
Yeah.
No doubt in my mind just like every problem that I know. Barack Obama, for example, hardly ever talked about being white, even though, you know, he was white. He was talked about as being the first black president of the United States. And he grew up in that. Yeah, he did. But there's never any real sense of him owning his whiteness. I don't think. But it would be quite a funny thing to do, to test it out.
But you sort of, you know, I don't think that.
I've heard that it's quite nice.
Right? What, like natural gas? It's just sort of like. Could I just say we are not advocating suicide or anything. You know, have a lovely life and yeah. I'm just saying.
There's a reason everyone's seen and he told me a story which I just personally, and I don't know how you feel about.
Otherwise she'd be having a little chat.
Not because she did that thing, you know.
She used to pretend to be be asleep so you wouldn't talk to her, but she forgot to close her eyes because she didn't trust you. Eyes go into your head, don't they?
No, the pupils were out. They weren't like rolled back.
Wow.
Yeah.
Sleep your eyes. I didn't actually know that was a thing. I thought that was just a thing of film.
They don't.
Like a resin to replace the thing. So that wasn't because she was there. It was because there was a glaucoma that would have, you know, the nerves.
I just think that anyone who discovers that is fucked in the head. Because they've discovered that. Yeah.
They're just going to try and give you emergency to have your eye between you and Andy. Use the eye, everything that you need, and then just deliver it as best you can. Just responsible.
I don't know how but there's a guy who's saying so you can't prove him wrong. But I want to say, well, hold on, you're taking money. Surely you've got to prove you're real. Surely this then comes back and prove you. Do you actually like what's going on? You had it balance like it's almost a spoof fun because you're invited into pantomime, you're invited into crowd, and then you're looking for them, and you know as a runner you're trying to get it before him when he does his
Oh.
So I don't want to do a whole show about that. I think this is deadly serious. Have you ever had a fun time? It's almost knowing it's not timeless when you do a fun time. Well, I think that's what Edinburgh's about, isn't it? They do anything about what made you worry that was transphobic? No, but go on. People don't realise how fucking terrible it is. And then there's the willful stuff that people do. You know, I mean, you can't do enough. And even in like educated societies, people turn a blind eye. But then there's a half the world that don't even know animals are sentient. They don't. They think they're inanimate.
Why are you going into the road for?
See, look, that road's closed.
Some people, eh?
So you were 22 in your wolves.
I can't even work it out. I'm 56, yeah. 34 years. 34 years ago, I was 22. I was walking around with a white face and a grey suit, grey hair.
Why aren't I famous yet?
Doing so, and you're like, I'm gonna get away from you soon. And my parents are lovely people, but I just thought, no.
No, I never felt like that. I never felt resentment, or in fact, looking back, I probably had that attitude because of them in a way. My dad had come across the Atlantic.
Yeah.
You know, my mum let me have any book. I didn't have any money. I couldn't have trainers or a bike, but I learned that I could have any book. So I think to them. Having said that, wasn't there a fight at one of your gigs last year?
Yes.
What happened?
That was this year. That was 2 months ago, maybe less. Just happened.
Where was it?
Scunthorpe.
Where?
Yeah.
Because it's a lot of people are drunk, people are on a night out, and
There's
the big thing that sort of like kind of changed things very quickly was a routine that I did on a show called 8 Out of 10 Cats Does Countdown, which is the longest fucking title of it.
8 Out of 10 Cats is a panel show, sort of an ironic, cutting edge panel show, and